You just save me, free me out the trap though. Golden hole, got a gun, that go put it out though. And it's real, lost my brothers in the field. Memories, all I wanna do is just kill.
Hold her legs like this, she was on her neck. Like, oh shit! Her bike was on top of her.
Never. She alive though, look at her.
Yo, she's still gonna ride!
Niggas is clapping.
Right now, we on our way to LES. It's about to be a ride out at 12. Stay tuned for that. I'm going by my dolo, but you feel me? I'm about to meet up with the pack over there and all that. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe right now. You feel me? Because you know this content about to be lit right now, you hear me? But yeah, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My links will be in the description below. Stay tuned. My daughter wilding early in the morning. Linked up with my boy, you hear me? Well, we out to LES right now. Stay tuned till we get there. We just watch them. Hey. But yeah, stay tuned. Watch them work. Ah, watch them. Wop, 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 wop. Ah, oh man. So everybody predicting that's the end of the world right there. Do y'all believe that? And let me know in the comments below. I want to know your opinions. Oh, after to get this traffic real quick. Please, sir. Don't panic, son. Don't panic. Don't panic, shorty. Watch him. Oh yes, sir, ski. Watch him work. Yeah, out here and all that. Where everybody at? That's it. That's it. Oh Lord. Oh, Wormski. Miss Dry. We gotta go to the store, get something to eat real quick, and then yeah. Stay. Oh, her dog not moving. The dog's stuck. The dog don't want to move. They don't want to move. Two out here and big collectors. I watch them. We got the boys out here and everything on the hoagies, the worms. Look at them out here though. How much got this? With the right hand. Oh. Right up about to start right now, so stay tuned. Everybody moving. You hear me? We out of here. Oh. In. Should smell like mashed potatoes. Yes, sir. 2020 Black Women's Ride Out. Oh my God. Whew. All right now. We about to take over the highway and everything. Nah. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Oh, he's on the car. He's wilding. He's wilding. He's on the car. He's tight. He's tight. He's mad. He's mad. Mad as ever. Look at him.
Dirty ass car, bitch.
Touch it. Okay, chill out. Oh. BB Block, you heard him? Oh. Sir, you see? Taking over the highway. Don't panic. Right. Left. Watch him work. Hey. Don't panic. Yo, what's up with you?
Yo, where are you going, bro? You don't see all these people?
He's out here. Oh, watch him. Watch him. Watch him. And then you already know a boy out here. No. Oh, watch out. And then. Oh. Woo!
There goes my guy right there.
It's right out. Let me see something. Let me see something for the vlog. Let me see something. Oh, watch him work. Let's get something. Oh. 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 Uh-oh. Watch him. Oh. Ah. Got the whole pack on here and everything. Taking over Brooklyn right now. He dogged my shit. Oh. Working on the seat. I won. Wop. Cone flip first try. Ah. Hold on. Ah. Hey. And a one wheel. Watch him. Herman. Her chain snap. Should we go? Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Damn. Oh, they wow. He's wildin'. Worm. She got a head.
Like this, she was on her neck. Like, oh shit! Her bike was on top of her.
Never.
Top of her, bro.
She alive though. Look at her.
Yo, she's still gonna ride!
Niggas is clapping. She is hurt right now.
She is.
She is hurt, bro.
They're falling and everything. Oh my god. So let me stop for awful. Okay. Watch her. Watch her. Shoot at him. Shoot at him. Bravo. Can I hold the bike? I can hold on for the video? Damn, man.
If you fall, it's our fault.
Yeah, you right. Chill. He's on snapping. Y'all know the vibe. We just split from the pack. It was a good ride out and it was pretty long. But if y'all want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know we out here with the boy downtown. And here's the end of the video. Check out my other videos. Other than that, stay tuned for more.